Hi friends, this is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pullepu. Already previous class I explained about Jacobians and properties of Jacobians. Now few problems we see, glance. See, he is asking x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, find Jacobian of x, y with respect to r theta. Okay, this is a direct question, happily I can attack. X is function of r and theta, y is function of r and theta. Jacobian of x and y I can do. Suppose the same question if they ask Jacobian of r theta with respect to x, y means what, you can use jj dash. You cannot able to get Jacobian of r and theta with respect to x, y. But what can you able to do? X and y with respect to r theta. Happily we can do. First you can find this value, then reciprocal you can find. Getting or not? So okay, first we can do Jacobian of x, y, r theta. What is formula? That is what, x is function of r and theta means what? X r, x theta, then y r, y theta. XR means what? Dou x by dou r. Dou x by dou r, who will come with respect to r means cos theta. Then dou x by dou theta is what? Dou x by dou theta is what? Minus r sin theta with respect to cos if you differentiate partially. Then dou y by dou r. Dou y by dou r is what? Sin theta. Then dou y by dou theta is equal to what? R cos theta. See, these all are known parameters. The problem they will give just juice only. We are having lot of things. Then x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. You done or not? In circular parametric, circle actually. So lot of things we done. Now Jacobian of what you will do? Formula, you know what is formula? X r, x theta, y r, y theta. Suffix y, suffix r, y r, you can write direct formula. Then what you will get? X r, x theta is what? Cos theta minus r sin theta. Then sin theta r cos theta. So this is what actually? R cos square theta plus r sin square theta. So Jacobian of x, y with respect to r theta is what? R. Suppose the same question if they ask Jacobian of r and theta x, y. You don't write r x, r y, theta x, theta y. It's not correct. So in your hand, what you understanding from this? X is function of r and theta, y is function of r and theta. So he is asking j. So what you will find? J dash you can find out. Here j dash what you will get? X and y by r and theta. This everything you can done. After finally you will reach this fellow r. But what I know, j I want. What I am finding? J dash. So I know, we know that. In mathematics, what we don't know clearly, you can write we know that. He will take care who is correct. Don't worry. Where we are telling we know that means what actually we don't know. So just joking. J dash is equal to 1. So j dash I know. J is equal to how can I write? 1 by, sorry, I want j. J is equal to 1 by j dash. So j is equal to 1 by r. Proved. Nice. So clearly read the question, then attack. First, what data given, what I want to use, what formula I want to use. In between, what things will come. These three things, if you mean to learn properly, means what you become master in maths. Correct or not? Now we see some examples I will discuss. You see, this is a very good question. y1 is equal to what? x2, x3, denominator x1. See how nicely they framed. Here x1 is not there. Here x3, x2, sorry, this is x2. Then y3 is equal to what? x1, x2 by x3. So how you will write? Dou y1 by dou x1, dou y1 by dou x2, dou y1 by dou x3. Dou y1 by dou x1, if you do, what you will get? x1 allows variable. So 1 by x derivative is what? Minus 1 by x1 square. So what will x2, x3 minus x1 square. Then y1 by y2 x2 what you will get? x3 by x1. Dou y1 by dou x3 will get x2 by x1. Correct? Similarly, dou y2 by dou x1 is what? x3 by x2. Then dou y2 by dou x2 is what? What you will get? x2 means what? Denominator x2. So minus x3 x1 by x2 square. Similarly, you can do. Then determinants already in plus 1 plus 2 some determinant rules are you are followed. Some common in one row is what you can take outside 1 1 you will get 1 0 0. Then expand this easily. Similarly, down also see this problem also nicely you can do. X is function of r and theta. This is also what? Circular or cylindrical function. Find out. Already you are well known functions. Find out. That is I am leaving in your hand. Now x is function of r and then y is then this is what? U is equal to what? X and y, v is x y. Again x is r and theta. Now he is asking is what? Jacobian of uv with respect to r and theta. How you will get? Then you can think for the properties already in my hand. 3 properties are there. uv with respect to r and theta. But u is what? X and y. So how I will do this is uv in terms of x and y my hand available. Then x and y is what in terms of what? R and theta. Already formula is studied na uv with respect to xy, x and y means what? These two fellows cancel. Don't cancel this. Think like psychologically. Though this is equal to what? Jacobian of uv by r and theta. Okay or not? Happily you will get. 2 Jacobians you can find out attack. Then last thing is that very very important, functional dependent. So you have to find out that already third property I told you that we do the problems later. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Bye.